How to stop adding people with added by search on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop adding people with added by search on Snapchat. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Snapchat. Now if you were to head over to the search bar and simply search for a person and simply add them, what would happen is that they would get the request, but it would say added by search. Now if you don't want that happening, what you'll need to do is simply search for the person you're searching for and tap on their profile icon. Now let me tap on a profile icon right here and simply tap on add from here. Now what this will do is actually that this will not send the notification saying that added by search. It will just give you the option that says that added by quick add or something like that, but it would not say added by search. And yeah, that is how you can stop sending people with added by search on Snapchat. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.